In this video, I'll be showing you how to add custom notification sound on Samsung phone. But anyways, getting into it, what you can go ahead and do is the enable category management option. So you have to first tell your Android to let you set individual notification channels. What you want to do is open up your settings application, then go ahead and find notifications as one of the options. Then go ahead and tap on advanced settings and then scroll to the bottom and toggle on the switch for manage notification categories for each app. So you want to make sure that is toggled on if it is toggled off. If you don't do this, you're only going to see a single general sound option for most apps. Now, what we want to do is go back one, and then you're going to see app notifications as one of the options. Now, this is going to allow you to turn on and off notifications for each of your different things. So tap on the name of the app you want to change. Let's say I wanted to go ahead and change something for Facebook. Go ahead and click on it. First, I'll enable the notifications. And then I'm going to see all these different things where I can show content or anything like that. But what I want to do now is go ahead and click on notification categories. Now, once you go ahead and click on notification categories, tap on the text, not the toggle of the category you want to change. For example, let's say your account. Go ahead and click on it, and then you're going to see sound as one of the options. All I want to do is go over to that. Then I can select whatever sound I want. So let's say I want to choose something that is already downloaded on my, on my device. I can go ahead and click something like that I've downloaded from a browser. And then that's it. It's now that specific sound, which is pretty funny. And I can just continuously do that for every single application, which is nice, just having a custom notification sound for any application I choose.